Inspired by Carlo Biado's last 5 balls in 2020 US Open Pool Championship, our first object ball is 5. In this angle, we can apply right top spin in preparation for the 6th ball. Bam! Nice shot. For this, backspin. That's it. Another draw shot. Bam. Okay. Perfect. Now let's apply right draw shot for the cue ball to travel to the right. Bam. Magnifica. And for the final shot. Bam. That's all, thank you. Inspired by Johan Chua's final 5 balls in 2024 Mansion Sports Hanoi Open Plum. Our target preparation for 6 is here. To do that, we need to apply a right topspin to our shot. Moderate speed. Not go with the plan, but still good preparation. For this angle, ideal preparation for 7 is here. Let's apply backspin. Moderate speed. Wonderful. Our next preparation is here to easily pocket the 8 balls, but we have here some hassle for our shot. For this, elevated bridge over the 9 ball. Focus, keep calm. Bam. Good. Now for this. Stun shot is enough. Bam. And for our final shot. Focus. Hold your breath. Bam. Nice shot. That's all, thank you. First object ball is the 5. Ideal preparation for 6 ball is here. For this, let's apply back to the future shot. Nice. Our next target is 7. Better to bring our cue ball to this area. For this position, bullseye shot to our cue ball is enough. Just a little bit speed. Awesome. Now let's apply a follow-through shot for the preparation to the 8 ball. Good. Now, we need a controlled shot here, so the cue ball won't go around the world. Bam. Horse. Horse. Good. Now the final ball. Slowly but surely. Bam. Perfect. That's all, thank you. Our first object ball is here, which is frozen ball, or close to the rail. In this position, it's better to apply sidespin to our cue ball, to easily pocket the 5 ball to the corner. In this angle, better to apply backspin. Another backspin or draw shot to make the cue ball get close to the 8 ball. For this, a little right topspin for the cue ball travel around the world near the 9 ball. All right, very nice. Now let's get this done. Boom. That's all. First 5 ball. Hit the cue ball in the middle. Here on the 6 ball, a little above. And then here a little backspin. Here at 8, a little above the middle. Finally, 9 ball. Normal or hit the cue ball in the middle. That's all. Our first object ball is here. We'll put topspin on the cue ball. The cue ball may go to this area. Topspin. Six ball on the side pocket. Topspin to bounce on the rail. And a little bit of draw shot here. In this position, shot under the cue ball to hit this area, or may break the 9 balls. Finally, that's all for now.